Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial steps of research paper writing, finding the perfect topic. Struggling to find that ideal research paper topic? Let's make it easier with these tips and tricks. Know your interests. Start by exploring your passions. A topic aligned with your interests makes research a joy. Research and brainstorm. Dive into research. Use mind maps, online resources, and brainstorming to generate ideas. Narrow it down. Focus. Narrow down broad topics to manageable, specific ones. Seek guidance. Consult professors, professionals, and resources. Their guidance is invaluable. Consider feasibility and originality. Ensure your topic is feasible with available resources and contributes something new. Choosing your research topic wisely is the first step to a successful paper. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.